Hey teachers, real talk. Gakonga just dropped a bomb in our last ESL live stream with Stuart from TEFL. She said,
Perfectly honest with you, I think language teaching is dead in the water. Dead in the water. Because machine translation will make it irrelevant.
now that's not clickbait, that's real fear. With AI glasses, real-time translation, and GPT-powered tutors, are we witnessing the end of language teachers? So let's unpack this with the facts, real timeline, and what we need to do about it. So, where are we right now in 2025? Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Yep, the ones that help you translate speech live in your ears. Duolingo Max lets learners talk to GPT-4 like it's a real tutor.
How's your job going?
Hey Lily, it's going super well.
Instant grammar feedback, role-play conversation. Oh, 24/7. Samsung phones. They now translate entire phone calls as you speak. And in Israel, every K-12 student is getting an AI tutor. This isn't the future. It's now. And if you're still teaching like 2015, it's time to catch up. Let's talk timeline because, it's moving fast. Back in 2023, AI like ChatGPT-4 entered our classrooms. Students started using it for feedback, writing, and even practice. In 2024, Ray-Ban and similar devices launched real-time wearable translation. Travel phrases? Kind of irrelevant now. In 2025, AI tutors are being integrated into school system. Not science fiction. Real pilot programs are live. By the late 2020s, we're talking AR and VR replacing immersion trips, simulated cafe, airports, social settings, all in your headset. Early 2030s, universal translators could reach near human accuracy. And by mid-2030s, language teaching might become a niche, something people do for culture, not because they have to. But now, should we be afraid? Hard truth is, if your teaching is just vocabulary drills and filling the blanks, AI can absolutely replace that. But AI can't motivate. It can't connect. It can't teach culture or make students care. We're not being replaced. We are being redefined. So how do we stay relevant? Become a cultural coach. Help students understand the why, not just the what. Be an AI-enhanced educator. Integrate ChatGPT. Use it to personalize learning, not fight it. Specialize yourself. Go deep into literature, writing, debate, things AI still struggle to truly master. Create content. AI apps will need real-world prompts, stories, and dialogues. That's us. And don't forget ESL and English for specific purposes. Technical, medical, business English. Still high demand and still human-led. Here's the truth. The shift is already happening. You can't fear it and fade away, or you can adapt and lead. If you want to go further, if you're just starting with AI in your teaching, or trying to find the perfect mix with blended learning, drop a comment, AI help. And if you want step-by-step guidance, tools, and real strategies, click the link below to check my courses, Innovative Approaches in ESL Teaching. You'll get practical tips, blended learning strategies, and how to actually use AI in your classroom to make it more engaging. We are not just surviving this wave, we are riding it. See you in the next class. Happy teaching.